What's up, guys? We're gonna do this Lego today.
Yep, it's the police car.
Yeah, we're gonna do the police car today, and then next we're gonna do the drill, probably in a different video or maybe a short. We don't know yet, but we're gonna build this cop car. So let's get into it. There you go.
Yeah, I think this one goes like.
You thought we were gonna start a video like that and not tell you what we're doing, man?
Dad, you did. You just lost all our pieces.
We're making Lego today, man. So stay tuned, get ready, and get set. We're about to kill it.
Dad, now go pick up those pieces.
It's only one piece. You're gonna lose them, Dad. Look.
Yeah.
Pow!
Yeah, Dad, you're gonna lose them all. You did the hard stuff.
Wait, this is a police officer?
Yeah. You can move.
He's got handcuffs in his hand.
Yeah.
That's cool.
You can even move his vision glasses up
Here,
and
hold
down.
on. Let me go show the camera. I think people would like to see that. So look at, guys. Let me see if it can focus. This here policeman. He has his handcuffs in his hand. All right, wait. Did you get the white ones?
Yeah.
Okay, next page.
Next page. Oh, we had that.
So
the
we get the
steering
tool.
wheel.
I want to do the toolbox.
Yeah, you can do the toolbox. I'll get the steering wheel.
Not as easy as it looks, is it?
There
There we
you
go. Good stuff.
You have to push down on the bottom, just saying.
And
Okay, I got
Alright, what's
these.
next?
These.
those two, and they go on one end.
I'll do one. You do one.
Okay.
And they go like I'm pretty sure they're touching. Yeah, that touching that one.
Oh, okay. Right here. This thing right here.
Did you this one?
Nope, I got one right here and one right here.
Oh. And one right there. I think that's for like the.
It's the doors or something?
Wait, no. Wait, hold on. Let me check what it is. I want to see what it is.
Or the doors.
Oh, it's for the writing. I think.
Okay. Alright, well,
all
we'll get
the
there when we
writing.
get there, my boy.
Okay.
Take
Yeah,
your
next
guesses in the
page.
comments.
Yeah. Next page.
2 of these.
2 of the ones that say police.
No, the stickers go on last, my boy.
Oh.
Yeah, it's not going to say police on it. We put the stickers. See, that's a little peel. Okay, you put them where they go, my boy.
Oh, hello. Yeah.
You know where they... Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Make the light. How's
The
that?
light. Oh, that. We're starting a new piece. Okay, so the light. We need
No,
2
but
of
this
these.
is the piece it says we need.
Yeah, we need 2 of these. We have to try and make the light.
Oh, this is the light right here. You gotta make it right here. So you get one of these.
Get one of these.
And one of these.
And get one of these. You get 2 of these.
Yeah, put one of these on each side.
Like face
And then put it on.
upwards, like this.
I would have.
No,
No,
face
look
up.
it like this right here.
Okay, 1, 2, okay. And then...
Alright, and then it goes on here.
And
Whoops. No, you did them backwards, buddy.
I did?
Yeah, they're supposed to go down. That's okay. Look, we can turn them.
They're supposed to go...
Look, we can turn them.
We had 2 of these. We had these. These studs.
Okay, hold on.
That's what they're called in Lego games. Studs. You're supposed to collect
this thing.
Studs.
Need
Here's
the little
a stud.
gray ones.
The stud.
Where's the gray ones? Here we go.
Here's another stud.
Thank you for the studs.
Yeah, they're called studs and like...
You know what else is called studs?
You.
Your dad.
Hat.
Like and subscribe. Yeah.
See it now? It's on the back.
Yep. You don't need this anymore, so let me see. Oh yeah, they get 2 of these on the backs now. So you made this piece, and then now you just got to put this one where it says, where does it say? You're on the window. Look at the window. After that, yeah. Good job. See, you know more about this than I do.
Like right here?
Look. Does it look like that?
Yeah.
No.
No.
There's a space. It goes right here.
Huh?
And then, what does this do? Okay,
That's
so this is,
flip it.
does any of the pieces go on the tops of these first? I think these
Wait,
do.
no.
Alright,
There we
and
go.
now, hold on, what's these extra lights for? I guess they're just spares?
Yeah, if we lose anything.
Okay, so we gotta put stickers on it now. Show it to the camera.
Good. Wait. Here's the front, here's the back.
Where's the stickers for this one?
Probably that big. No.
No. Well, did we do it?
Yeah.
I don't know where the stickers went. Somewhere in the process of us doing them.
Maybe lose them.
We'll find them. If we do, we'll update the pictures or we'll make like a short or something. But yeah, we made the cool cop car. To be honest, even without the stickers, this thing is rad. So, I mean.
And then we have this dude.
And then we have the little policeman, and he's got like a couple sets of cuffs, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching. We're gonna have to rebuild the cop car because we just busted it. Can you grab the front for me, buddy? You know what? Because I'm so transparent, I'm gonna leave that in the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead, subscribe if you're new. Like this video if you like this video. You might as well like this video. And share it with your friends, man. Because everybody likes a little bit of fun in their lives. Have a good day. I'm out. Peace.
We found the stickers, so now we're putting them back up. So now we're putting them on. I'm not good at this. Wait. There we go.
Nice, guys. You got the police on there.
This goes up here.
And then that license plate goes right there on the front. Guys, so now what we're going to do is my son Jackson is going to open a Lanky Box blind bag. So go ahead, Jackson, open it up. Let's see what's inside. What is it? You know yet?
Oh no.
Ooh, is that boxy?
Yeah.
Hey, we got boxy, man. All right. All right, so like I said, we were going to be doing a prime taste test. So, without any further ado, Keith.
I can't open mine.
Mmm. Oh my God.
Mmm. That's something else.
It is very good.
Mmm.
Mmm.
10 out of 10.
Ice pop. Prime.
This is 10 out of 10 prime. Oh my God.
Hydration.
10 out of 10. I ain't even going to say it again, man. What do you think?
10 out of 10.